Stop paying $500 a year for productivity apps. I'm going to show you 5 completely free alternatives that do the exact same thing. Stay till the end because the last one will blow your mind. First up, note-taking and organization. Most people spend $10 to $15 a month on Notion, OneNote, or Evernote. But here's the secret. Notion's free plan is absolutely incredible. With Notion, you get unlimited pages, databases, blocks, and you can share your workspace with others. You can build project management systems, track habits, manage your finances, all completely free. The paid plan is only useful if you have a massive team. For 99% of people, free is more than enough. Second, project management. Asana charges $10 to $25 per person monthly. ClickUp is the free alternative that's actually better. You get unlimited tasks, unlimited storage, multiple views, timeline, board, list, calendar, automations, integrations with Slack and Google Calendar. And you can add unlimited team members. The interface is a bit complex, but once you learn it, you'll never need to pay for project management again. Third, design and graphics. Canva Pro is $120 a year, but Figma's free plan is incredible for anyone who needs graphics, presentations, social media posts, or video editing. You get unlimited projects, collaborative editing, thousands of templates, and access to design libraries. Whether you're designing YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, or presentations, Figma does it all for free. Fourth, writing and blogging. WordPress costs $5 to $15 monthly. Substack is completely free. Substack lets you write, publish, and build an audience with zero cost. You own your content, build your email list, and can monetize with paid subscriptions later. And finally, the one that will blow your mind. Video editing. Adobe Premiere Pro costs $55 a month. Final Cut Pro is $300. But DaVinci Resolve is completely free and professionals use it. It has timeline editing, effects, color grading, audio mixing, and motion graphics. Everything most creators need. That's 5 apps that replace over $500 a year in subscriptions. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more budget productivity hacks. What free app do you swear by? Drop it in the comments below.